After years of buying expensive gear as sound mixers, we decided we had had enough. So we created a new microphone company. A company launched by the very people that use microphones. A company that lives and breathes audio. Until now, quality microphones were too large of an investment for the average filmmaker. And with microphones, there's a law of diminishing return with what you get versus what you pay for. But at Deity, we think good audio equipment shouldn't break the bank. And to prove that to the world, we're launching our company with an incredible short shotgun at an incredible price point. A true workhorse microphone for the film industry. Introducing the S-Mic 2. We kept everything people loved about the original Deity shotgun. The all-brass construction that takes its build quality to the next level. The DC polarized true condenser capsule that's entirely RF interference proof. And we bundle in professional accessories that typically aren't included at all. Yet we upgraded it where it counts. We redesigned the circuit to have a quieter self-noise, allowing you to record cleaner, quieter sounds, even at high levels of gain. And coming in at 12.5 dBi, we matched the noise floor of many competitors. We also upgraded the true condenser microphone capsule to a richer, warmer sounding capsule to give you fuller sound quality that will bring your films to life. This new capsule now gives the S-Mic 2 low off-axis color and a steep 90-degree off-axis rejection. So, if you're doing an interview and the person can't sit still, your camera operator will have a bad day, but your sound mixer certainly won't. At the end of the day, you use the microphone that you think sounds good. And if you're wondering what the S-Mic 2 sounds like, well, you've been listening to it this whole time.